Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about a very interesting topic, and this is very important for our interview purpose. When you go for an interview on Python, then interviewer definitely asks some question from this. What is this? This is shallow copy. And then after shallow copy, we will know about deep copy. So this shallow copy and deep copy is very much important for Python interview. Okay. So now first we will see what is shallow copy and how it works, and then we will see what is deep copy and how it works and the difference between shallow copy and deep copy. So, and first we have to know that why we did these things, that why shallow copy, why deep copy. Okay, fine. So first we will see the shallow copy. So here we can see something, that here is a list, and in this list there are three sublists, right? So here is a list, and in this list there are three sublists. Okay, fine. And now we know that everything has a memory address, right? We know that everything means we input everything, it has a memory address, or we can say that it's stored in which memory, that memory has a ID, or that memory has a address. So that is called memory address. Okay. So this shallow copy and deep copy is all about memory address. I think this is up to this is clear. Okay. Now first here you can see that list, and now we see shallow underscore copy equal to original list. What did I say? That first we declare a list, and in this total list there are three sublists, and now we want to initialize this original list is equal to shallow underscore copy. Means we declare a variable which name is shallow underscore copy, and we assign the original list, or we pass the original list value in this shallow copy. Okay. So now what do you think? Oh, these two things memory address will same or not? Okay, let's see. So we print this ID of original list and we print the ID of shallow copy. Means this and this. Okay, let's run the code and see what's happening. Okay, so here we can see that the original list memory address and the shallow copy memory address is same. These two are same. Okay, so we can say that this original list is stored in which place of memory. The memory address is same of the shallow underscore copy. Means Python didn't allocate any other memory for this shallow copy. It's the same. These two things are same. Okay. Now come to here. Let comment this. Okay. Now come to here. Here I write something. So when we write shallow copy, we have to import copy. We have to import copy. Means we have to import a module that module import a copy which is system defined function. Okay. Okay. So now, first here we have to import copy, and then we have to see that here is shallow underscore copy is equal to, means it's assigned to copy dot copy. it's assigned that copy.copy, and in the parenthesis it's called the original list. Here called the original list. So in this part we convert this original list into a copy list with the help of copy.copy and the copy list of the shallow copy. Now we will see that what is happening here. Let's sound comment this and let's run the code again. Okay, now see. First, this part is this part. We can see that those two memory addresses are same. But here we can see that those two memory addresses are different. Means the original list address memory address is different, and after copy.copy the shallow copy memory address is different. So what can I understand from this file? So we understand that in shallow copy, when we declare a original list and passes the list to another variable name, whatever name you can write here. So when we passes a list value, its list, you can write here tuple, anything. So when we declare a value or we assign a value, the same value in another variable with the equal to operator, these two things memory address will be same. What is happening here? These two memory address will be same. Means Python declare one memory address for these two things. But when we use copy.copy in the parenthesis the original list or original variable declare things, then it's create a copy of shallow copy list or shallow copy variable, and then their memory address will be different. So after copy.copy the memory address will be different. The copy.copy memory address or means shallow copy memory address and the original list memory address will different. But before copy.copy the two things memory address will be same. Okay, so this is the main things, and now I will see that what is happening here. Let's uncomment this. Okay, so here we can see some row and input some column. What is this? These things. This is a matrix format. Let's see minorly that this is a matrix format. Okay, so these are the row and these are the column. So these things, this is a 0th row, 1 row and second row, and this is 0th column, 1 column and second column. Okay, let's imagine 1, 2, 3 after this and after this, then you can imagine this. Okay, so here we input something, some row number and input column number and enter a data. Means here we want to change the data. We want to see the change the data. If the data will change, if we change the data in shallow copy, if the data will change the original list. Let's see. Okay, so let's run the code. It's come again that the first thing this and the second after copy these things the memory address will be different, and now it's one row number. Okay, let's enter one row and one column. Okay, it's want some data. Okay, suppose I put 50. Now I supposed to enter the hit button. So what do you think? If I enter the button, then what will show this? That if it is change only shallow copy list original list also. Okay, let's see. Yeah, let's see here that this change or this data will update or this data updated in shallow copy and original list also both. So in shallow copy we see that there is a list, there is the original list and there is shallow copy. Before copy.copy the memory address will be same, but after copy.copy the original list and the shallow copy list the memory address will be different. And now what we can see that if we update any elements of this list, their shallow copy list and the original list will update the same things, means shows the same things. Or we can say that update these things, particular things, shallow copy list and this original list both. I think shallow copy is clear to you. Now get into the deep copy part. Okay. So in deep copy here we see the same things. Okay, first I split this portion. Now you have to understand very easily. You will understand this very easily. This is the shallow copy part. This is the deep copy part. So in deep copy part, I write the same thing. This list, original list and deep copy list. And now, what do you think? That original list and deep copy list memory address will be same? Yes, it will be same. Let's see. Okay. So, these are the same. Like, means this particular portion is same as shallow copy and deep copy. Now I uncomment these things. Now uncomment these things and let's see what is happening here. Okay. So, just a second. Yeah. So here we can see that like shallow copy, here we also a copy, but here we have to write copy dot deep copy. In case of shallow copy, we write copy dot copy, but in case of deep copy, we have to write copy dot deep copy. And so deep copy is equal to copy dot deep copy, and we pass the variable like original, pass the original list here. So it convert a copy deep copy list. Okay. So let's see now what is happening here. That it will change the memory location or it will same the both memory location. Let's run the code. Okay. Let's explain this. Yeah. Now see. This is the same as shallow copy. That it changes the or it is the different of original list to deep copy list. Means this is the same shallow copy and deep copy. This portion are same. So you might think that shallow copy and deep copy the same. So what's the difference and why we did two different things? Okay. So we'll know. We'll know very soon in this part. Up to this, I think this is clear to you. Shallow copy and deep copy up to this, I think this is clear to you. Means before copy dot deep copy, the memory address will be same. But after copy dot deep copy, the memory address will be different. The original list will be different and the copy dot deep copy list memory address will be different. Now come to here. This is the main thing which differentiate from shallow copy and deep copy. Okay. So here we also input something, input row and input column, input data, and then we will print. Okay. Now run the code again. Let's see. Here it's 1 to enter row number. Okay. I will put 1 and column number also 1 and enter 50. I write enter 50 here. So I will write enter 50 also here. Now what do you think? That if you think that original list will change as deep copy, means original list and deep copy list will be same or not? What do you think? Okay, let's see. Yes, this is the thing. This is the main thing. Which differentiates shallow copy to deep copy. What can I see here? That we update the value 50 here. We update the value 50 here, but this is changed. This is updated list. But in this original list, the list is not updated. Means this is the original list which I declare here. So in deep copy, we can see that if we enter some value or if we want to update some value in the copy list, then the copy list will be changed, but the original list won't be changed. But in case of shallow copy, if we change, in case of shallow copy, what did we say? That if we change the copy list, means shallow copy list, or if we update something in shallow copy list, it will be updated in the original list also. So this is the main difference of shallow copy and deep copy. Okay, let's clear this in very simple example. Suppose we have a phone. We all have phone, right? So suppose my phone is a duplicate copy of a original phone, and you have a original phone. You have a original Apple phone, and I have a duplicate copy. So in case of shallow copy, if I change my model, or if I add something in my mobile, then your mobile, that particular thing will be changed. Means my mobile, some apps, and your mobile, the same app will be updated. This is in case of shallow copy. But in case of deep copy, if I input something in my mobile, in my copy mobile, which I copied from you, if I change something in my copy mobile, it won't change in your original mobile. What did I say? If I change something, if I get changes something in my mobile, which I copied from your original mobile, then it won't change your original mobile. It only change in my copy mobile. So this is the main thing or main difference of shallow copy and deep copy. I think this is clear to you. Okay, this is very important thing, and let practice this, and the next day we will talk about a new thing. Okay, bye bye.